What's up, Bassanators? Welcome to another episode with me. And yeah, today we are here at the Hoop Dam in Steelpoort, and we're here for the leg 7 of the FLW tour, South African Gauteng tour. It's a 2-day comp, 2 separate day comp. Today, Saturday, we fishing the first leg, and then the second leg tomorrow, Sunday. And 2 separate comps, 2 separate winners. So we're gonna try our damnedest to do well on both days. The work can be a tough one. We were here yesterday from about midday, 1 o'clock, and we came and scouted the dam a bit, had a couple of casts and saw 1 or 2 little patterns happening, but we don't know. Let's see what today brings. So hopefully we can bring you a banger of a video and you guys enjoy. So keep watching and comment below what you guys think of the video. Enjoy! Good luck. Let's do this, bro. Finally. Small, big. Very small, yeah. Is there even is there a limit in this?
Yeah, but we got a busy.
Have you got water in here? Yeah. Also at the bottom.
Fucking hit me hard when you turned. I was like, okay.
Big fish.
And then what happened? Oh, then disappointment.
Fish.
It's not that big. The keeper, that.
Oh yeah. Get it out the grass. Uh-oh. Yes. Oh yeah, much better fish. Well done, John.
Better fish we came back for.
Oh, yeah. That's gonna help us a bit. So guys, a quick recap. The whip is playing tough with us. We have got bag limits in the boat. Sean's been catching them. Today, I don't know, just struggling. He's caught one alright fish, and then others are small. So tough times at the whip at the moment. So yeah, let's see if anything changes and we start picking up big fish. But we'll probably go now to the shallows where we know where the frog bite has been on, but it all depends if the water temp picks up. So let's see how it goes. Cool, keep watching. Ah, that was a bite. Yeah. Just pull like it.
There's some fish between these two.
Finally, my first bite today. Oh, again! Throw in there, bro. I'm sleeping.
Gave you your second chance at fish.
Yeah. I think it was about the second one. Second one, I'm not too sure. But the first one, definitely. Just did that. Got it. Big one. Probably a few of those small ones in there, maybe. Damn that looks flipping up because there's a lot of reeds there. That's what I like.
That's what you want.
That's what I want. Guys, off camera, I switched off the camera because yeah, we just went catching for a while and I land up catching this beaut on top water frog in the bloody shallows. And I just finished telling Jean I don't think it would catch here because it's too flat and I don't know, I just didn't feel it and I was wrong. Oh boy, was I wrong. This is the fish, two of my fish that I've caught, and then John's gonna come here and grab his fish quickly and show you. Show it.
Tough down the water, but at least we got some fatties.
Nice one. Let's see your fishies. Yo. Nice, dude. Well done.
Thanks.
Yes. Yes, niet karpen. 4.8. 4.8.
So guys, yeah, wasn't an easy day. We struggled most of the morning and only landed up picking up decent fish maybe 9-10 o'clock, and then when a couple of small ones here and there, and John picked up another alright one, and then near the end I landed up a 1.6 and helped our bag. So I think we weighed a 4.8 if I'm not mistaken. They're going to do weigh in tomorrow, so day 1 is today and day 2 tomorrow, and then they're going to do the weigh in both days, both on the same day. So once I know that, I will update you guys and yeah, tell you what it is. Cool, hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. So guys, results for the day 1 comp. We got a 3rd place with a 4.8 kilo bag. We shared it with another team, unfortunately, but at the end of the day it will help us for the end of year standing. So yeah, it was an awesome day.
It's caught in the crossfire.